I'll take a minute to show you this gear rack from OneTigris. You see I've got it hung up here in a closet. It's kind of up high and out of the way. I can hang my rifle from it. I've got a vest here as well, and you could put a helmet or whatever you got. I got a cab hat here, cowboy hat, whatever you want. It's got a holder at the top that allows you to mount that, and it's got the OneTigris logo right on the front. And then here you've got supports that are really strong, really well made. It's got an all steel construction to this whole thing, and it allows you to hook different items from here. It bolts right to the wall with this mounting plate, and it's really easy to hold all of your equipment right here in one place. I really like how these arm hangers here have some grip to them so things don't slide off. It fits right in the notch here, and then it won't come off of the rack while you're holding it up here. It's really sturdy. I mean, I could hang off of this thing myself, and I like the way the whole thing works together. Very compact, and I can keep everything up and out of the way that I want to have ready to go. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.